How to allow share option on Facebook post. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To allow the share option on your Facebook post, you can go ahead and launch your Facebook app in your device. If you have not logged in yet, make sure to use a credential and log in into your Facebook account. So right now you cannot see the share option because you have set the audience of the respective post as only me or private. Now if you wish to switch into the share option, tap on the three horizontal lines that is in your top right corner. Then head over to your profile. Scroll down to the very bottom until you see a post. So as you can see, there is set as only me, which means my friends or the audience won't be able to see the share option. Now to change it, tap on the three dot icon at the top of the post and click on edit privacy. Now right here from only me, set it to public or friends. Then head back, and once it is saved, you will have an icon something like this. So now you have successfully added the share option for your Facebook post. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.